Hello students, let's begin our class. Today's topic is quartile, decile and percentile for group data. When there is frequencies there, so how to find quartile, decile and percentile. Earlier we have studied for ungrouped data, that means when frequency is not there. Here frequency is there and also class interval is there, okay. So let how to find quartile, decile and percentile. So let's start with the quartile. So this is the formula. Look at the formula. Formula is same as we do for median, same. Just the difference is here. Look here. In median case, we take it is as n by 2. Rest is same. So here, what is L? L is the lower limit of the quartile class. Okay. F is the frequency of the quartile class, and this is the frequency just preceding the quartile class. Okay, into H. H is the interval. So this is the formula. So I have written here generally AI. I means I goes from, as we know, I goes from 1, 2, 3. If you are asked to find the first quartile value, so you put here 1. So here also 1. So the formula will be Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4 minus f by f into H. Okay. So this is the lower limit of the quartile class. So first we need to find the quartile class. So let's learn how to find quartile class. So Q1 or quartile class, whatever be the value of I, accordingly if it is Q1, so we write Q1 class is equal to class which has cumulative frequency just greater than I n by 4. Okay. So we need to evaluate this. If Qi value is 1, so here it will be 1. If it is 2, here it will be 2. Okay, so accordingly which quartile you need to find. So accordingly you find this value first, then from this you get the particular specific quartile class, means is the class which has cumulative frequency just greater than I n by 4. So you must need to prepare this cumulative frequency column. So there you check the class which has cumulative frequency just greater than I n by 4. So you need to evaluate this. So first you find out the quartile class, then from there you take the values. Okay, this is the lower limit of the quartile class, frequency of the quartile class, class length, and this is f is the cumulative frequency just preceding the quartile class, and whatever be the n value that you put here divided by 4. So accordingly you get the value of quartile. So for any quartile Q1, Q2, Q3, same formula is there. Okay, you use this formula. Now let's come to the decile. For decile, this is the formula. Here we use for decile we use J. J goes from 1 to 9. So J is equal to L plus J n by 10. Okay, only this part will change. Here I n by 4. Now here it is J n by 10 minus f into H. So rest part is same, just only you change this part for decile. Okay, from I n by 4 to J n by 10. Now same here, first you need to find the decile class. So whatever be the value of J, accordingly you find out the class. So class which has cumulative frequency just greater than J n by 10. Okay, so you need to evaluate this, and then accordingly you find the DJ class, and then from the class you take the values and put here, you will get the decile value. Okay, specific decile value where J goes from 1 to 9. Whatever, if you are asked to find D5, so you put here 5, here also you put 5, here also you put 5. So accordingly first you evaluate this and find out the D5 class, then the D5 specific value. Okay. Now for percentile, we denote it by pk, where k goes from 1 to 99. So the formula is again only this part will change. So it will be k n by 100, just because it is a percentile. So you change this. Same, first you need to find the percentile class. So pk class is the class which has cumulative frequency just greater than k n by 100. So whatever be the value of k, first you evaluate this pk class. From the class you get this value, put here, and you will get the specific value of pk. Okay. So hope you have to remember this formula, because if you forgot this formula, how can you calculate it? So you need to memorize these formulas. The formula is not different, it is same as you have done for median. In the same way, just this part is changed, okay, and it's depend on which you are finding quartile, decile or percentile. Accordingly this part will change, and class also, okay, here also accordingly it's change. So hope you get the idea of how to find quartile, decile and percentile for group data. Thank you.